Grammar quiz. Subject pronouns. Fill in the blanks using the correct subject pronoun. Blank is eating steak and chips for tea. Is it A, his, B, him, C, he, or D, himself? The correct answer is C, he. He is eating steak and chips for tea. Blank are going to jail if we get caught. Is it A, us, B, we, C, ourself, or D, ourselves? The correct answer is B, we. We are going to jail if we get caught. Blank is going to the party as an angel. Is it A, she, B, she's, C, her, or D, herself? The correct answer is A, she. She is going to the party as an angel. Blank need to help me, I'm stuck. Is it A, yourself, B, yourself, C, yous, or D, you? The correct answer is D, you. You need to help me, I'm stuck. Blank is blowing a gale outside today. Is it A, it's, B, it's, C, it, or D, itself? The correct answer is C, it. It is blowing a gale outside today. You can visit the website for more grammar quizzes.